Moving house with employer relocation benefits can change your budget more than you expect. Start by collecting every receipt related to the move and organizing them by category, such as transportation, lodging, storage, packing supplies, and temporary housing. Understand that some moving costs may be deductible only when the move meets time and distance tests. So consult a tax advisor early to determine whether your move qualifies and which expenses can be claimed. Ask your employer for a written summary of the relocation package and get specifics on what is reimbursed versus what is offered as a taxable allowance, and request timelines for reimbursements so you do not front large sums without confirmation. Track days you missed from work for moving tasks and any travel time between homes, because certain travel expenses may be relevant for employer reimbursements or record keeping. Keep a simple spreadsheet with dates, mileage, receipts, and notes about the purpose of each expense so a tax preparer or human resources representative can quickly verify items. If your employer offers a lump sum, treat it as taxable income for planning, unless they explicitly state otherwise, and document how you spend it against relocation costs. Common mistakes include throwing away small receipts and then losing the ability to substantiate deductible expenses. So save and photograph every receipt immediately and store them in a single folder or cloud drive. Another frequent issue is assuming employer reimbursements are tax-free, which can lead to unexpected tax bills. So clarify with payroll whether reimbursements will be reported as wages and, if needed, adjust withholding or set aside funds to cover tax. A third concern is not timing the move to meet tax or employer rules, such as required residency or work start dates. Avoid this by confirming any qualifying date windows with human resources and your tax advisor before booking services. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare local contractors and read community discussions about relocation experiences so we can weigh contractor costs and moving company recommendations. We connect contractors with homeowners seeking work and host an active discussion community where we share tips on moving costs, reimbursements, and tax experience.